Hello everyone. Today we would like to introduce to you how to open medium-sized secret box with 7 steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Slide this part to the right. Step 2. Slide the whole end down. Step 3. Slide this part to the right. Step 4. Push the whole end down again. Step 5. Slide this part to the left. Step 6. Move the whole end down. Step 7. The top comes off. And we can see the internals of the box. You can put anything you like. We will put lucky cat like this. When you close the box, please slide these parts back in order. It comes with the instructions, so please be careful not to lose it. We are looking forward to your order. Thank you for watching.